So let's address the elephant in the room. This is what happens when you're not supposed to drink coffee, but you drink it anyway. So I broke down and I drank coffee, and this is the result. Today, what we are going to be doing is flying by the seat of our pants. So if you're wondering what the makeup look is going to be, I don't know right now, but based off of the title, you know by now. So I, in general, know what I kind of want to go for, like reds and peaches and pinks. So the palette I'm going to go in with first is the Just Peachy Mix. Going to go in with these two shades mixed together, which is Peach Meringue and Peach Butter. Peach Butter. Alright, and then I'm going to dip into Peaches and Cream right here. And then I'm going to go into Just Peachy right there. And then with this shade right here, Peach Tea, I'm going to take it and then buff it all into the crease to kind of dim down how bright and peachy this is right now. Alright, now we're going to go into Peach Cobbler right here, and then we're going to just put this on the lid, not in the crease at all. And then we are going to add a little bit of brown to this, so we're going to go into Peach Tart right here, and then we're going to put that on the outer V of the eye and blend it into the crease, but not too high.
Let's do it.
We're gonna go back into Peach Tea as well as a little bit of Peaches and Cream, and we're going to buff that into the crease. We're gonna be going in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I think what I'm going to go in with is Bellini right here. We're going to start it right here and blend it in. And then now I'm going to curl my eyelashes, put on some mascara, and do my brows. And then I'm also going to slap on some lashes. These are the Kiss Style and Shy. Okay, so I have the lashes on, and honestly, I will probably not buy that brand again because it's almost too straight of a lash. So once you take it off of the thing that the lashes are attached to, they are completely straight versus the Eyelure ones that I've worn in the past couple of videos. You take them off and they're still rounded. So these ones are really hard to get the edges to stay down. So honestly, that took forever, and lashes to me aren't that bad. Okay, so I'm first going to prime my face, and what I'm going to be priming with first is my PIXI Rose Flash Balm. Now this is the little one that I got in the set, but I actually went out and bought the full size of it because, guys, I love this one. This with my L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base are a dream team. I'm telling you, if you have extremely textured skin that is dry, this with this to deal with like your craters in your face, if you have like pores or you have a spot that you need to cover up and you just want it smooth, this is amazing.
So
So the two foundations that I'm going to go in with is I went out and I bought the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. So I'm going to be taking this one, which is in the shade Pearl, and then I'm also going to be mixing with my tried and true Neutrogena Hydro Boost skin tint, and this is in the shade Classic Ivory, because this gives the coverage that I need, but this gives the moisture that I need. So I'm gonna mix them together, and hopefully they are a dream team, and if they're not, we'll see. So this combo actually works really well because it gave me a lot more coverage than I can just get from the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It gave me the moisture that I needed, but then you add in this and then you get the coverage, and then the color is not that bad. I think once I add some concealer, it'll kind of even out the color of it. But guys, I'm gonna continue to try out this duo, but I think I really like it. Okay, then we're gonna go in with concealer, and this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Concealer in the shade Fair. And then for a little bit of a hydration boost, I'm gonna go in and spray my face very lightly with the PIXI Milky Mist, because then it also kind of like presses more moisture into the skin, and it'll help it from caking up a little bit because
I have dry skin.
Now we're going to go in and do our bronzer, our blush, our highlight, and everything like that. So I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin in the shade 20 Classic Ivory because it's kind of dark, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the perimeter of my face. And then now we'll be going in with our bronzer, which we're using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And as you can tell, I've hit some major pan on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that in a little bit of a contour, but like a feathery contour. So it's not like
Contour.
It's just like contour. And now we're going to do blush, and the blush that I'm going to be using is Benefit's ROCKATEUR. Blushes are one of those things that I have never ever been into in the years that I've been doing makeup on myself. Blush is always one of those things I just kind of skip over because I don't see the importance in it, and lately I have been loving blush. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Alright, so there is our blush, and for our highlight, BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in the color Prosecco Pop. Alright, now we're going to do shadow on our bottom lash line, and then some lipstick, and then I think we're pretty much done. So I'm going to go back into my Too Faced Just Peachy mattes, and I'm going to go into Peach Tea right there all over my lash line. Alright, and then I'm going to go into Peach Tart right here, and then just do that on the outer or half of my bottom lash line. And then we're going to go back into the Sweet Peach palette, and we're going to go in to Nectar, and we're going to put that in our inner corner, a little bit on our inner bottom lash line, and then as our brow bone highlight. Alright, and then I'm going to do some mascara on the bottom lashes. We're going to go in yet again with our
Milky Mist.
Our PIXI Milky Mist, and then spray that all over our entirety of our face. We're going to be going in with this product from Soap & Glory. It's called the POUTSTANDING Lip Contouring Crayon, and honestly this is so cool and it's such a neat concept. So I got it in the color RUBARBELLA, and what it is that one side is a lip liner, there it is, and then the other side is the lipstick. Alright, and then there is the lips. Actually, the lipstick side that says that it's the shine side actually smells like chocolate. This is a very comfortable lip, like it's moisturizing. So that's pretty awesome. I am not one to like a very uncomfortable lip to wear. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, please subscribe. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!